Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, to my channel. For today's video is we are here again in Istirahat to having fun with my boss and friends and family. So this is my best friend and my friend. So Nabata and Amina. Look,
Hi guys, how are you?
I hope you all doing good, well. And Amina,
Hi.
hi. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Uganda.
Miss Uganda. And you from?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. And you from? Come here.
Kenya.
Kenya. Faye is from Kenya, guys. So now we eat here this. What is this?
What is this?
Stick bread and sweet and stick bread. So that's it.
Oh my God!
So we are here again for that's Faye. She's really beautiful also. She have a good butt. It's Faye.
My one Sophia, you want to record it.
You know, in Facebook, I have 1 million views.
What's that? You give me very nuts. And up.
Do you eat grown-ups?
Okay, give me.
And baby.
Why you scared in camera?
Eh?
You don't want if someone like you and I'm taking video and then you're getting
I
rich.
don't want the boys. They will spoil my life.
Enjoy. Hold it. You fucking bitch. Yalla, go dance.
Hi guys, you know today guys I'm really tired because Ramadan is coming, so that's why
Mafi dance.
all they prepared something like this, and then my boss said find this for Ramadan. So you know all the cartons I I remove and I will find, but I cannot find. I don't know where. You remember that like this ding 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 ding, then they dancing.
See where some mad persons are from.
I don't know. Okay. Assalamualaikum everyone.
Walaikum salam.
Welcome to my channel, and this is all my friends. So we are here again for, you know, walang hiya. Akala ko sinong dumating. We are here for stick bread, you know. This is all our food for Ramadan. But it's good.
Yes, good.
Really good. Yes. And someone give me. Pray, give me this. And I will keep this. Why are you scared in the camera? You know she's scared in the camera. That's why she covered her face.
One need to ban.
But you know she's really beautiful. I all of them. Just what guys.
A few moments later.
That's it everyone. Kain na kami, okay?
You want to eat?
Kain kami guys. Food namin. Wala ako sa mood ngayon. Kasi ang banda yung may lagnat ako. Thank you so much. Let's eat guys.
Sure.
Eat. You bring the ketchup there?
Yeah.
Ketchup you bring?
Feed them. Take it. to be middle side. Like how you sense that man was always there. He was done like that or was just to the chocolate.
He's like that.
Definitely
Even
everyone.
me, I hate how he talks, but that's how he talks.
Include cigarette. Not cigarette.
Maybe cigarette.
I don't think there's someone who's done
Because ever since I came,
I hope you're all doing good, and this is my friend Amina, and she is really beautiful, you know. She is from Ethiopia, and Ethiopian girl is so much beautiful. And she is my also best friend here, so I tell her to I'm hungry because I don't have it in my boss house. So that's why here we are again. So look at this place. See? Say hi. Okay, we will talk later. Okay. So now we are back here. Look na bata. Don't show your. Why your smile? Hi. That's a video. That's my.
me always with this one. Me always with this one. And this is your blue one.